This is a given PCP problem. Here, how many strings are there? There are three strings. So A1 means 1 and A2 means it is 1 0 triple 1. A3 means 1 0. B1 is 1 1 1 and B2 is 1 0 and B3 is 0. One more thing, when we have written suppose 3 or something, we have to write A3 and B3. We have to write A3 and B3. So you should not write A2 and B3, not like that. If you have taken any, when you are finding the solution for PCP, if you have selected that 2 as a solution, so that we have to write a string from A as well as from B also we have to write. So how to start this one? For this one, to start this one, if I have written, first basic thing is the first letters must be matched. Suppose the starting letter is 1 here and here it is 1. Here it is 1 and 1, so that I can start with 1 and 2, but I can't start with 3 since it is the starting symbol is 1 here and starting symbol is 0, so that these two cannot be, it is not possible to start with 3. It is possible with 1 and 2. We can start with 1 and 2. Suppose if you have started with 1, what will happen? We will see. Suppose the solution what I am finding is first A. For A, from A, if I have taken this one, 1. So for 1, A1 I have to write and B1 I have to write. 1 and B is triple 1. So now this is length 3 and this is length 1. So these two are matched. Now we have to find any element which is matching with B, remaining two ones should be matched. So I have to find any element or any string from A which is starting with two ones, I have to find that one. Then only I can match this with this. So when I find that A don't have any element which is starting with two ones. Here one I can't write. Otherwise, if you can write 1 also. Suppose if you have written 1 more 1, what will happen? So A, instead of A1 I can write 1 and again I have to write B1. B1 is what? Again 3 ones. Again I have to match for this 3 ones also. So there are earlier, now I have to match for 2 ones. Now it is, my task is doubled. 4 ones I have to match. It is not at all possible to match the symbols with B. We can't able to find such strings in A. So it is not at all good idea to start with 1. So definitely we have to go with 2. Sure that when we can't able to start with 3. So now we'll start with 2. So we'll see that what will happen if we start with 2, right? So I'll solve here. I'll take some space here. So here I'm writing A and B. Definitely we have to start with 2. So when I have written 2, A2 I have to write and B2 I have to write. A2 is 1 1 0 1 1 triple 1. So 1 0 triple 1. So I'll make it as a block. 2. So similarly I have to write B2. B2 is what? B2 is 1 0. So when I have written 1 0, these two are matched. Now I have to find something from B which will match with this 3 ones. I have an element in B which will match with this 3 ones, so that I have, then my solution should consist of 1 in this one. So then I am taking my solution as 1. So now I have to write A1 and B1. And if you think that B1 if you have written and if you are stopping, it's not at all good idea. And when we have written 1 here, A1 I have to write as well as B1 I have to write. A1 is 1. A1 is 1. I'm writing here. And B1 is triple ones. So triple 1 I have written. These two are matched. So now one more 1 is left. Now I have to find an element in B which is matched with this 1 in A. So we have to find with element B in me which is matching with this one. So I'm selecting 1. So I'm selecting 1. Why I'm selecting 1? Suppose if we have to find some elements which are starting with 1 in B. So how many elements which are starting with 1? 2 it is starting, and as well as 1 also it is starting. B1 is starting with 1 and B2 is also starting with 1. Suppose if I have taken 2, what will happen? You just think. Suppose I am thinking that 2 is the correct solution for the next one. If I have written 2 here, that means I have to write A2 and as well as B2. So we will see that what will happen if I have written this one. B2 means what I have to write? 1 0 I have to write. I have to write 1 0. And if I have, then I have to write A2 also. A2 is what? 1 0 triple 1. Here itself we are getting a conflict. 1 0 triple 1, and here I have written 1 1 is matching. It is okay. What about this 1 and 0? These two are not at all matched. So 2 is not at all a good idea for the next solution. So it is a wrong step. So we have to revert it back. We have to revert it back. So I'm removing this 2 also. So now I'm removing this 2. So we have a scope that matching with 1. A has 1. So here we have to find some string which is starting with 1. Starting with 1, we have B1 and B2. B2 we have selected. It is not at all possible to go further. So definitely we have to go with 1. So then I'm writing 1. B1 and A1 I have to write. A1 is 1. A1 is 1 and B1 is triple 1. So I have written A1 is 1 and B1 is triple 1. So 1 1 and 1. So that these two are matched. These two are matched, and one more 1 is here. In B, it is one more 1 is extra 1. So that we have to find some element which is matched with B, and we have to find that element in A. Suppose here if I have taken 3, what will happen? So if I have taken 3, A3 I have to write and B3. A3 is 0 and B3 is 0. When I have taken 3 here, what will happen? A3 is 1 0. I am writing here, and B3 is 0. Wow, very good. So all the elements are matched. A3 is 1 0 and B3 is 0. So now all the elements are matched, and length of A is matched with length of B. Length of A and length of B is matched, and there are no more elements to match. So now the solution is 2 1 1 3 is a solution. We should be very patient enough to find this one. Sometimes we'll feel like trying some more things, and we will say that there is no solution for it. Students will write frequently, they'll try 1 or 2 things, and this PCP don't have a solution. It's not that. We have to try for, as I said, that what are the possibilities and why we should not go for it, and why, so that we come back and we have to select the other one and we have to find the solution for it. So now this PCP has a solution for this problem. Like this, we have to find the length of A and B should be matched like this. Here if you observe the rules, as many number of strings are there in A, those many number of strings are there in B. And here A strings and B strings both are defined over the same alphabet 0, 1. And one more thing, here the length of each and every string need not be the same one. Here it is 1 and here it is 3, here it is 5 and here it is 2, here it is 2 and it is 1. Length is 1 here. So it need not to be same one. So like this we have to find a solution for PCP.